Good morning. Come on, Shaq. Hurry up.
Sorry, having a bit of a combo, you know.
Do you know what I mean? It's bloody 6 in the morning, mate. Who wants to have a combo?
Clearly that brother did. Alright guys, good morning. So we are on the train now. Why are you laughing, Mo?
I was waiting for the good morning, my beautiful people.
Bro, it's like not even 7:15, Mo's already rinsing, man. But yeah, we're on the train now. We've just left. It's 7:10. We'll be getting to Liverpool for about 9:20. Okay, so it's about 2 hours 10 minutes from now. And yeah, man, just gotta enjoy the journey. Obviously, typical TMA fashion: editing, charging, getting a coffee in while Mo sleeps. Yeah, man.
Okay.
This slave labor, man. While these guys sleep in luxury, a couple guys gotta edit, you know.
Wow.
So,
You have to like, man, don't edit.
Edit who?
Edit what?
Edit what? Yeah. Anyway.
Is it done?
Can you see me?
Can you see me? Yeah. We're here at Liverpool Street. Liverpool Street? No, we're not. We're at Liverpool Lime Street. Yeah, so what we're going to do now, we're going to find a place to drop off all our luggage basically, because we got bare luggage. And now we're going to figure out.
Just to clarify, we're not bougie guys that bring like an attire for everything.
Yeah,
it's just,
yeah.
there's so much filming equipment that we have to bring that there's no space for like clothes.
Basically, like half this bag is just equipment.
Basically.
Bruv. But yeah, we're gonna find a place to drop the luggage, and then we'll do a lot of discovering, and then we'll check back with you guys pretty soon. Alright guys, we're at our first spot and it is first freezing. I told you. Bro, my hands are like ice right now.
I'm like low-key crying, fam, because the tears are real. But anyway, it's because we're at the docks.
We're by the docks, so it's gonna be colder anyway.
So we're by the docks and we're doing our first activity in Liverpool today, which is
a cruise.
Yeah.
Going on a cruise.
So basically, it's actually real colourful. I can't lie, I'm looking at it right now. It looks bare funky.
Bare Instagrammable.
Yeah, best Instagrammable cruises.
Next video.
But anyway, so the cruises run every day on the hour, and the gates open to get on the cruise like 10 minutes to. You can buy the tickets online. They're like, I think we bought them for £11 a ticket per person, and then you collect the physical tickets in the office, which is right next to the docking bay. And the cruise itself is about 50 minutes long. So we're gonna jump on it and we're gonna show you what it's about. Oh, hands are cold already.
Yeah, already. Alright guys, so we finished the boat tour, and all I can say was, despite the views, which were amazing by the way, and the little history lesson you get, it was too cold for us. Like, I had to fully button up my jacket. You never see me button up my jacket. That's how cold it was. I had to buy a hot chocolate just to warm my hands up. Even then, like, once I'm cold, I'm cold. It's done. Like, it's gonna take me a while to warm up. But
I mean, thank God there was a cafe right next to where we docked. Which the cafe we're in right now is the cafe for the activity we're going to be doing tomorrow. More on that tomorrow in part 2. But nah, man, like literally, I needed to get like a whole chai latte and a panini just to keep myself
like a hot, like toasty.
It's been like 20 minutes and I'm still recovering. So
yeah, this cold is no joke, honestly. So
I don't do what's the maybes? I did
absolute freezing.
Yeah, man. But you know what? It was a good experience. Like honestly, like I said, I would fully do it again if it was sunny.
If it was warmer.
And it was warmer.
Yeah, if it was warmer.
Like,
because this cold weather is not the one.
Yeah. Otherwise, And also can afford a bigger jacket, but it is what it is.
Yeah, it is. So, I guess he learned from us basically. So
as
we do, yeah.
take W's from our L's. But yeah,
so
search around the city.
Yeah, just do whatever. Just
chill and
check out the side, see what's about.
We'll catch you later.
And, yeah, see you guys in a bit. Jesus Christ, will you take the whole thing? There we go, that's a much better thing.
We're at our next spot, St. Liverpool's, near the station. Liverpool's station. Yeah.
What are we on?
Nah guys, I'm joking. This is Liverpool Town Hall. I just wanted to do it because I thought it was funny and it looked like St. Paul's. So. Alright.
Even room.
So guys,
the uncle vlog is back.
Uncle vlog is back. Our next spot is now joking. So we're at the Cavern Quarter, right, which is on Matthew Street, which is known to like loads of like bars, live entertainment, music, stuff like that. And yeah, I mean we're gonna come back here again in the evening when it's all
just to
lit
check
up
it
and
out.
stuff. Yeah. But yeah, man. Oh look, they got a Wall of Fame. Oh, let's flip this actually. So if you look at all of these bricks, which I won't be able to show you, but you'll see names. So this looks mad. A Wall of Fame of all of these famous people, man. Oof. Yeah, this is a nice quarter, man.
It's a hidden gem. Oh, they can't even see me. Alright everyone, so it took us a while to find this location, but we're finally here at the Radio City Tower. So basically you're gonna go through the Matalan
Basically,
entrance.
you have to go to Williamson Square. Then when you get there,
You go through this alleyway and
Yeah.
it's basically pointing upwards.
don't listen to Google.
Yeah, Google basically did Shaq over and basically said, haha, you're stupid. Na 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 na. So yeah, we found this place. We're gonna go check out the views. I hear it's like one of the best in Liverpool, so let's see what this is all about. Okay, guys.
Bro, we got nice by this weather, man.
It made it like 100 times better.
This weather is A1.
A1 right now. And it just makes the view like 100 times better.
Like you can see everything. Like
Literally.
we can see Anfield.
You can see Anfield, like, yeah, it's mad.
And yeah.
All the monuments of Liverpool, you can see it there as well.
Honestly, if this weather was like this morning,
At the beginning, oh bro, it would have been a perfect vlog.
vlog. Yeah. But obviously, typical England weather, man.
It starts off crappy, but then it gets better.
If you don't have at least 3 seasons in one day, then is it
really England weather? Yeah, that's true.
So,
But yeah, no, definitely you guys gotta come check the radio tower. If you're ever in Liverpool, you can't miss this out. You can't miss this out. It's actually amazing. Let's board that.
lighting.
Oof. Okay, cool. So, oh, and I left my glove there. Hey, stop it.
smooth.
But yeah, we're gonna go back to the Airbnb.
Dinner is a mad one. Obviously, you know Shaq when it comes to food. Shaq got you, man, covered.
Yeah,
But when I mean
Shaq
you,
found
I
a
mean me and my
mad-
belly.
Yeah.
Got it covered.
Basically, Shaq found a good spot where he can eat until his heart is content.
And it is halal.
It is halal, yeah. So, anyways, we're gonna go back to the Airbnb right now, get some recon, charge the equipment up, head back out, and see how the nightlife goes.
Alright guys, so we've just left the gaff. We're back out now for dinner, alright? And, oh, I don't want to tell them.
Should we just go there?
Yeah, man, I want to surprise you guys, man. Because this place is a bit naughty, and if it lives up to what I saw when I booked it, the reservation online, it's going to be a bit naughty.
Let's go, man.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Catch you guys in a sec.
Alright, everyone. So we just finished eating at Ben Brazil. I don't know what to say, man. I'm at the shack. Like,
Bro.
say everything.
It's gonna start. Okay, so the secret spot is Ban Brazil, and I didn't want to say anything because I didn't know what to expect, right? So for starters, it's Brazilian food. Okay. Number 2,
It's halal.
number 3 is a buffet. Number 4,
They serve you.
yeah. Number 5. So we were running late, as usual. TMA. The brother called us. The reception guy called us. He goes, "Oh, hi. You had a reservation. Is it Shaquille?
Are you guys coming?"
Are you still coming?" And I thought, "Yo, that is some sick customer service, yo." And I was like, "Yeah, brother. I'm just a couple of minutes down the road." He's like, "Oh, that's great. Thanks for letting us know. We'll extend your booking for you." And I was
Say
like,
less.
"Amazing.
Say
Say less. Then we get there, and I said to him, "Oh, yeah, bro. When I made the reservation, I made requests for halal food. How's that all gonna work? Because it's a buffet and like." And he goes, "Oh, don't worry. So when you get allocated to your table, let the guy know that you only eat halal food, and because they come and serve you food, they give you like these little sticker things that to put on your table. So like one will say yes, you want more food. One will say no, and then you get another card. Like it's like a coaster, right? And that says halal and it's in blue. So they stick that on your table. So then when the guys are walking past, they only give you what's halal food. Now, basically everything is halal except for like the pork, obviously, the sausages, and some of the other stuff, right?
Yeah.
But pretty much everything, like beef, lamb, is all halal, right? And they come up to you and they just serve you, and boy, the food
portions.
was mad,
The portions.
bro.
We ate like kings.
Bro, the cheddar steak, ooh,
The cheesy beef.
the garlic steak, naughtiness, bro. And fam, for some reason,
cinnamon pineapple.
cinnamon pineapple.
Bruv, where have you heard cinnamon pineapple?
Cinnamon pineapple. Now I'm telling you now, it was happy hour. So instead of paying, so usually
30.
in the evenings and weekends, it's £31.50
Yeah.
per person, right? And then during the day for lunch, it's about
1995, yeah.
Yeah. Now we paid £22.50 for happy hour. So altogether with drinks, we paid like £67 with service charge. For all of that, bro. That's cheeky, bro.
That's mad.
Bro. So we made it. Biggest W
Of today.
of today.
100.
I can go home and sleep like a king. And that's what we're gonna do.
That's what we're gonna do,
Because
bro.
it's freezing out here.
Come, let's go. No time to waste. What you want? We not have that here.
It's bloody freezing, bro.
Welcome to Liverpool, mates.
Oh,
Yeah. I purposely put the heating on.
bloody hell, bro.
Well, welcome. You're late.
North, yeah?
You're late like how many hours? Get out of here. Come check your room.
So there's a toilet here, which Mo said he's going to use.
You guys on like a flat tour over there?
Oh yeah, we done that. Yeah. This is just your reaction now.
Oh, my reaction.
Yeah.
Coach house. Do you know why it's called a coach house?
Probably because it used to be a coach house.
There you go. Mo, what's the coach house?
Me nah know. Man had 1 hour sleep, asking me bare questions.
So a coach house in the past probably would have been like a stable for horses.
Yeah.
That makes sense why the garage is so
my room.
big.
So my room has an ensuite shower.
Of course it does.
So
Yeah.
Did you just give up and say, yeah, fuck it, this is your room?
no, he actually wanted the two.
I actually
single
wanted
beds.
a smaller room.
So
Oh, why?
Just more room to pray and just relax. So
This is not enough room to pray.
one,
Okay,
one,
yeah,
one
no.
bed to
Shower
do the
also.
haram, the other bed to do the halal.
yeah, basically.
So,
My goodness. Okay.
bathroom. So shower's massive.
Oh, bro.
You can fit like
So
5 man
basically,
in
there's
there.
2 toilets, 2 showers.
That's actually awesome. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
We've outdone ourselves, seriously. The Airbnb.
Now check your room.
Oh yeah, I think you'll like this one. So you remember the race, yeah? Where did we go?
Manchester.
No, specifically.
Ivy.
Restaurant. Okay. Welcome to the Ivy.
Oh man, I actually quite liked it, you know. His dope ass.
I figured you. This would be your room, yeah.
Got a TV as well.
Except my room.
No, you man.
Mine just has a heater.
It's literally just Ivy.
Ivy themed, yeah. This is your kind of room. That's why we left it with you.
Bro, that's some vibes. And I've got scented candles in here.
Well, we know what he wants to get up to tonight.
Yeah, bro, that's vibes. Everything that's subtitles, isn't it?
You can't have everything, by.
Well,
We got a bottle of water. That's it.
It's not bad. How was your day anyway?
tired but good.
Yeah.
Long day, but it was a good day.
Alright, well, let's say goodnight to the family, and we'll see you in the morning, because it's just going to be me from now on.
Thank God.
Goodbye.
Why are you coming into my room? Go, bro. Evacuate. Evacuate. Diverse. Disintegrate into the darkness.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.